Hello everyone and welcome to the Fintelligent Investor channel. I am CA Pratiksha Pai. Today let us discuss whether you should subscribe or not to this 423 crore IPO of RK Swami, which has opened today and is going to close on March 6th. One thing I would like to tell before we even get into the video, just today the IPO has opened and within just 1 hour of opening it has been fully subscribed. So keeping that in mind, let us go forward in this video. First, when I heard the name RK Swami, I also, like you all, I thought of Malgudi days, but of course this is not Malgudi days Swami. Let us check everything about this company, the fundamentals and the technicals. Of course you may say that it has been already fully subscribed, so I will also subscribe. That decision of course is left to you, but it won't hurt to just check these few details which I will be explaining in a quick and simple and effective manner, and then you can take a independent decision whether you want to subscribe to this IPO or not. Also, we will see what the brokerages and analysts have to say about this IPO, and that will help you to take a better decision about subscribing to the IPO of RK Swami or not. This company RK Swami is into integrated marketing services, and for that it is one of the India's largest Indian majority owned company in integrated marketing services and has an experience of 5 decades. Now what is integrated marketing services, you will tell. So let me tell in very simple terms. They help their clients in the creatives and media space, in data analytics and doing market research for the clients and doing data mining, customers data mining, and they have full market research and syndicated studies. In the FY23, this company has published more than 818 creative campaigns across various media platforms, and they have also processed over 97.69 TB of data and conducted over 2.37 million consumer interviews via quantitative, qualitative and telephonic surveys. So it is evident that this company, who is into data analytics, integrated marketing services, doing market research on behalf of clients, doing various media and creatives related to client services, etc. It is one thing is evident that this company in all its peers makes heavy use of digital services. It is all digital in all spheres of this company. Now, having known what this company is doing, now let us venture to seeing the technicalities of this IPO. The total size of this IPO is 423 crores, out of which 173 crore rupees is fresh issue and 250 crores is offer for sale, which means that out of the total 423 crores that the company will collect through this IPO, 250 crores will go to the existing investors and shareholders who are selling their shares, and only 173 crores out of this total 423 crores will actually go to the company's account, whereas 250 crores will go to the accounts of the existing shareholders and investors. This IPO has opened today, that is March 4th, and will close on March 6th, and the listing on BSE and NSE is on March 12th. The price band is in the range of 270 rupees to 288 rupees per share, and the lot size is 50 equity shares. Also, the going GMP today is 90 rupees per share. The next important thing we should see, once the company raises this money, collects this money of 423 crores, out of which 173 crores will go into the company's account, what will this money be used towards? What are the objectives of this IPO? So first of all, the company is saying that they will utilize this money to finance their working capital requirements, which is the day-to-day running of the business, and it will also be taken to finance the capital expenditures towards establishing a digital video content production studio, and then financing investments in the development of company's IT infrastructure and that of its material subsidiaries like Hansa Research and Hansa Customer Equity. Okay, and then this money will also, a part of this money will also be used towards financing the establishment of new customer experience centers and computer aided telephone interview centers and financing general corporate purposes. So basically a whole lot has come under this umbrella. They are saying that of course on one side they are saying working capital requirements, which is the day-to-day requirement of finance, and also they are saying general corporate purposes, and also they are saying that they will utilize this money towards certain capital expenditures like bettering the company's IT infrastructure, establishing a production content production studio, establishing customer experience center, and establishing computer aided telephone interview centers, etc. However, the company has nowhere mentioned that it will utilize this money to repay its debt. So one of the things which we see in the financials, which I will be coming to, is there is a good amount of debt in this company, but the company has not mentioned anywhere that they will utilize the money that they've raised through this IPO, that they will raise through this IPO, towards repayment of any debt. So yes, these are the objectives of this IPO. Before getting into the financials, let us now look at certain key risks that are involved with this kind of company, which is into digital integrated marketing space. So firstly, of course, digital marketing and integrated marketing services form the main portion of the income of this company. And as we know, in the digital space, everything depends on trends, and everything depends on and can change on a very daily basis also. So any immediate changes in trend, and if the company cannot catch up with it, that could be one of the key risks. Also, another thing is the services of these company are dependent on availability of space or sites for publishing of the ads. So if there is any shortage or unavailability of appropriate sites, then that could lead to a significant hit to the revenue. Thirdly, also this company, when it does the market research and analysis, it will rely on collecting data from third party service providers. So the authenticity of the data, as well as the permission to use certain data. Okay, and when this gets impacted, of course the nature of work of the company will also get impacted. So these are the major few risks that can be seen with this company. Coming to the financials of the company, the revenue has grown by around 25%, and the profit after tax has grown by around 62% compared to the previous year, and the return on capital employed is also at around 29%. The PE ratio is at 40.96 times, and the valuations done also look fair enough. Now the various brokerages and analysts have mentioned that the financials look decent, the return ratios are good enough, and also the valuations also look fair. And on this basis, the Canara Bank Securities has told that this can be subscribed for listing gains, whereas Reliance Securities and Anand Rathi have mentioned that this could be subscribed for long term. Will you subscribe to this IPO, and what are your comments on this company? Let me know in the comments. Please consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. I am CA Pratiksha Pai. I'll meet you with another video. Thank you.